How to fix Discord app not working on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Discord application not working on your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Discord application is up to date. To ensure that, you need to go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store according to your device, either you're using your iPhone or Android. Now from the search bar, simply search for Discord application. Once you find it, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. After this, try restarting your device, and this will clear any temporary glitches, bugs, and other problems. Then try checking your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle the airplane mode on or off, and also try clearing the cache. If you're using Android, tap and hold on to this application first, then tap on the eye icon to go to App Info. Scroll down, go to Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache. But if you're using iPhone, you need to upload the app. For that, go to Settings and then General, then iPhone Storage, tap on Discord and upload the app, and then reinstall the app. You can also try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And also make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. Once you do that, disable VPN or battery saver mode and make sure that your device is up to date. And none of the solutions work, you can contact the Discord support through the app or at support.discord.com, or you can directly uninstall the application from the device and go ahead and install it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.